Today's day 2 of 10 days of Easter. Today I'm making coconut cream Easter eggs. First, add 14 ounces of sweetened shredded coconut into a bowl. Next, add 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. Then mix that up really well until everything is combined. Next, I'm going to make the Easter egg, so I'm going to dip my hand in water, then take a scoop of the coconut cream mixture and then shape it into an Easter egg and then put it on a lined baking sheet, and then repeat the process with the rest of the coconut mixture and then put these in the freezer for 1 hour. Next, I'm going to melt 1½ cups of melting chocolate. Now I took the Easter eggs out of the freezer. I'm going to place one into the melting chocolate and dip it on both sides and then shake off the excess, and then I'm going to put it on the cookie sheet and then sprinkle some bunny sprinkles on top. Then I'm going to repeat the process with the rest of the coconut cream Easter eggs. I let the chocolate set in the coconut Easter eggs for about 20 minutes, then I put them in this Easter container, and here's an up-close look.